When you have duplicate keywords within a campaign, that means you've lost control over ad serving. You don't know which ad and ad group are always shown with a keyword when someone does a search. So if you have duplicate keywords in a campaign, you'll see an alert on your Adalysis dashboard. Now if you want to see how to fix this, you can click on the How to Fix link. Then just click on the alert for duplicate keywords, and we'll take you to a screen which is just based on duplicate keywords to see your data. Now if you happen to be on the keyword screen, you can also just click on the duplicate keyword view. Now here you'll see the keyword, what's the duplicates of, the campaign it's in, how many duplicates there are, and then cannibalization rate, which looks at the ratio of your highest impression word to the other words to see how many impressions you're actually losing across the board. And then the aggregated metrics for clicks, impressions, conversions, so forth. So you'd either want to sort by impressions or your cannibalization rate. Then you can click into the duplicate. We'll show you the keywords, what ad groups they're in, and then the associated metrics for that keyword by ad group. So in this case, the third instance of this keyword has the fewest impressions and the lowest cost per conversion. So we'd want to pause these other words so that our impressions are forced to flow into our best version. Now you can either look at all these keywords individually and click and open them up, or you can select everything and go to the duplicate keyword bulk pause tool. Once you open this, you can choose how you want to pause all the duplicates, such as fewest impressions, the highest cost per conversion, the lowest conversion rate, and then if that happens to be the last keyword in the ad group, you can also pause the ad group. And then just pause duplicate keywords, and based on your criteria, we'll pause all the duplicates. So from the dashboard, when you see duplicate keywords, just click on it, sort by cannibalization or impressions, look at the individual terms if you want to pause them, or select them all. Go to the duplicate keyword tool, choose how you want to pause down, and just pause your duplicate keywords, and that'll force your impressions for those keywords to flow into the ad group where you really want those impressions to occur when someone's searching for that keyword.